was close.
Too close.
Hold on, Rika! Rika?
Rupert, are you all right?
I'd say that was a bit faster than the toboggan run at Nutwood Common.
Where are we?
Good question. It looks as if we could be right under the North Pole. My snowman! We have to find him!
Don't worry, we will.
But maybe he's... Oh, Rika, it's all my fault.
No, Rupert, you can't blame
But
yourself.
he wanted to stay
for-
in Nutwood. I was the one who made him come with us.
He was melting in Nutwood. He had to come back. You! Look out!
You saved our lives.
It was nothing.
Not you. Rika.
Of course. What I meant was I'm sure for her it was nothing.
Good old snowman. Not a snowflake worth for the wear.
I was afraid I would never see you again, Rupert.
So are we. But here we are, together again, safe and sound.
I'm not too sure about that.
Snow people.
Who are you?
Allow me to introduce my friends, Rupert and Rika. I brought them all the way from Nutwood, at considerable personal risk, I might add. Isn't that right, Rupert?
Well, the part about us coming from Nutwood is...
You've come to take us away from here?
No, we haven't come to take you away.
What? But Billy...
If we don't stop Billy Blizzard, he'll destroy the entire North Pole.
Rupert is right. Besides, you'll melt if you leave the Arctic. You must stay here and help us.
Some choice. Leave and melt or stay and be frozen solid.
Not if we can get Billy's whistle.
Oh, you'll never do it. He's too strong.
He'll freeze us to the spot as quick as you can blink an eye.
Snowman, do something.
Well, Wait a minute, stop! If we don't do something, what's going to happen to all the other snow people when spring rolls around next year? We gonna let them all just melt into puddles?
Well, no.
That's right. And do you know why? Because we're mad.
We are?
You bet we are. I'm mad, you're mad, and I'm gonna stay mad until we send that Billy Blizzard packing. Right?
Right.
Are we snowmen or are we snow mice?
Snowmen!
You said it. This is our chance to show him what we snow people are made of.
You bet.
Let's give it to him. Wash his face with snow.
What's the plan? Let's get going.
Good work, Snowman. I knew you could do it.
Right. Now, over to you. I'm gonna go check on those reindeer.
I'll talk to him, Rupert. You take care of the snow people. Snowman.
Well, somebody's got to look after the reindeer.
But not you. You're much too brave for that. Rupert and your friends need you, Snowman.
You might not believe this, but there isn't a brave snowflake in my whole body.
I don't believe it, and neither would anyone else who heard you make that courageous speech.
You really think I'm brave?
I know it, and so will you if you just give yourself a chance.
It just might work.
It has to work.
Count me in. What do you want me to do, Rupert? Lead the charge?
No, I need you to lead Billy Blizzard out into the open.
Anything you say, What?
The whole plan depends on it. We're counting on you. Let's go.
Oh, I hope I'm as brave as they say I am. Billy Blizzard. Blizzard! I demand you show yourself!
Who is the fool who calls upon the ruler of the North Pole? Nice day, wouldn't you agree? A touch warm, perhaps. Allow me to lower the temperature.
Rupert, help me!
You? I'm surprised you came back after the cool reception I gave you.
It's not right what you're doing to the North Pole, Billy Blizzard. Use your power to restore King Frost and leave this place.
But I like this place. Especially now. I intend to stay. It is you who are leaving.
Whistle. Now, Rika, now! Fire!
What? You think your fluffy snowflakes can stop me?
Don't run! We have to fight!
Huh? No! Welcome to my kingdom, little bear. You don't look so brave